Good morning, loves. Hey, it's Naturally Mo. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently in the McDonald's line waiting for some breakfast with the one and only Martha. So we're on our way to the red, white, blue. Maybe go to Plato's Closet. And go near Allentown, Maryland, to go to another thrift store. And yes, of course, it is Wednesday. It is senior day, so you know, maybe the only reason why we bring her. But my cousin Olivia and her friend have already been to the red, white, blue earlier because they have a training they need to do for their job. So hopefully we may see her later, catch up with her. All right. So my cousin and her friend is about to be on their way back because the Salvation Army down the street, they kept saying that it was open online, but it wasn't, so they're coming back. When your cousin gotta hide her pants, so when we come in here, we have to get them. Look at this.
Oh, look at this. Oh, that's a Jefferson.
And her good friend, who is so nice and lovely. Oh no, you're fine. You're okay.
Way too expensive. So you take scissors and cut down the seam, cut off at the arm to open up the entire thing.
Okay.
Have a piece of material as long as, way longer than this. This works your head.
So I'm in the 2nd Avenue in Columbia, and they've been rotating the whole store. Let me show you. up. My girl. And we're in the Goodwill. You know. On Wednesdays, it is senior day, so you're in the Goodwill, and your senior is Wednesday, and you need to get that discount, okay? Thought these were cute because we're getting that little romper. So we are on our way from, well, we're on the BW, and you see those clouds? It's about to pour. It's been pouring, raining. It's been hot, and then it's been pouring, raining. Lord, help us all. We decided to come to Jasper, of course. Look who's being rude, sitting at the table on the phone, looking at a video. And think it's funny. So I got the salmon, grilled shrimp, potatoes, and I got a salad instead of vegetables. My mother has chicken tenders and shrimp coleslaw. So yeah, we're about to enjoy our meal. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and please leave your comments below to let me know how I did in the videos, or if there's anything that you guys would like me to find in the thrift store. And as always, stay positive and always show love. Bye guys.